Good afternoon, boys and girls. Today I'm going to show you how to make your very own colorful and funky name tag. So, with your parents, open up a Word document on your computer. Word is the blue one with the big W on it. When Word is open, have you or your parents type your name on a blank document, like so. After this, highlight your name by clicking at the beginning of your name and dragging it to the end of your name. On the home ribbon, click on the arrow next to the number. There might be 11 or 12 here. That is a 1 and a 1, or a 1 and a 2. And make the size either 48, a 4 and an 8, or 72, a 7 and a 2. I'm going to be making mine 72. And now next we're going to pick out a neat font for your name tag. So it should stay highlighted, but if not, remember you click at the front and drag to the back. Now you're going to click on the arrow right next to the 7 and the 2, or the 4 and the 8, right here where there's a font. And you're going to click on the arrow. And now you're going to scroll through all of these fun fonts. And the one I'm going to choose is called Chalk Duster because I think it looks really good. But you guys can choose whichever one you like best. And lastly, you can change the color of your name tag. So it should stay highlighted, but again, click and drag. And now you're going to click on the arrow next to this A that's underlined in the color red. Click on that. And now you can pick any of these colors you want, or you can even click on this and then look at these colored pencils, and you can click on any of these. I'm going to choose the color purple, and then I'm going to click OK. And now if you click off, now you have your very own name tag. So after you're done, your parents can save this and then email me the document so I can print off all of them, and tomorrow we will work on cutting out our name tags using scissors.